Hi guys, this is Madhu and I welcome you all back to my channel, The Lifestyle Edit. Hope you all are doing good and enjoying this festive season as much as I do. I am loving it these days. There are so many things to do, right from cleaning our house, decorating our place, shopping, lot of shopping, and getting ready for the occasions and lot of things. We feel so festive, so happy that I just wait for these days throughout the year, and I just love these days. I just love being so festive and enjoying these days. So I'm sure you guys are also having that much fun. Actually today, looking at this festive season, I thought why not give you a look which you can recreate, and here's it is. I'm going to show exactly what I have done today. This is a very light makeup. I have not done much but used just a few colors, so I thought you guys would also love to recreate this, and that is why here's the video. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel. That's very important. I'm looking for your subscriptions. I don't know how to grow my YouTube family, but trying hard for it. So please, if you are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, and definitely if you like it, hit on that thumbs up button. Now without wasting much of your time, let's just dig into the video. So guys, this is it. That was the look that I tried to create, and hope you guys have liked it. And if you are creating it, don't forget to share it on my Instagram. My Insta handle is given in the description box. This is it. Please subscribe to my channel, hit on that thumbs up button, and hit on the bell button as well, so that every time I upload a video you get a notification for the same. Till then, live crazy, be beautiful, and keep your environment clean. Bye bye.